Every day, accidents happen in the most unexpected place at the most unexpected time.
That's why it is important to be alert at all times.
Sometimes you really want to help, but you don't have the means to do so.
So when you lack or you have limited resources, what do? Improvise.
Sprain is a stretching or tearing of ligaments that connect two bones together in your joints. It is a common injury among sports lovers, athletes, and dancers alike because these activities require physical movements that can easily injure their ankles, elbows, and wrists. It sometimes occurs when you lose balance. The best remedy is the RISE approach. R is for rest. You may ask the injured person to lie flat on the bed, or if there's no bed, on a chair, couch, or on the ground. I is for ice. Ice the area. Do not directly apply the ice on the injured area. To improvise, called compress, you may use some ice. You can get ice cubes or ice candies and wrap them inside a clean paper towel or clean tissue or any piece of cloth and then apply it to the injured area. C is for compress. Compress the area with an elastic wrap or bandage until the swelling stops. If you don't have pads or roller bandage or any triangular bandage, you may create your own by using a handkerchief or any piece of clean fabric. E is for elevate. Elevate the injured area above the heart level. Pillows can offer you great support and comfort, but if they're not available, then you can use a trash bin or any object with height to elevate the injured leg. Just make sure it's above the heart level.
Oh no, it's bleeding! Life-threatening external bleeding from veins or arteries requires fast response to provide the patient the best chance of survival. Sometimes, a first aid kit is not available in a timely manner, and bleeding control needs to be improvised with supplies readily on hand. In dealing with bleeding, we first have to put firm pressure on the bleeding for at least 3 to 5 minutes, and in placing a tourniquet, we have to put it 2 to 3 inches above the bleeding.
Category 1. Touching or feeding animals. Wound care. Immediately wash the area with soap and water for 10 to 15 minutes. After washing, apply alcohol, povidone, iodine, or any antiseptic. After doing the first aid, seek medical attention immediately if the wound is deep, bleeding heavily, or shows sign of infection.
Fainting. Fainting is when you suddenly lose consciousness or black out for a few seconds. Fainting happens when the blood flow to the brain is reduced. How can you help someone who fainted? Advise them to lie down. Reassure them and help them to slowly over a few minutes when they feel better. Lastly, check their breathing. Commit with confidence, learn to improvise.